Hello, my name is David, a technician at E-ATX Custom Computers, America's leader in custom computing solution and home to over 20,000 unique components. And today, we're going to be looking at the brand new XPG Defender WS-L. Now, having a powerful workstation is important to any professional that uses their PC for work. It opens up your workflow and allows you to finish tasks faster and more efficiently. More than just a saying, your time is literally your money. But these powerful workstations can be huge and generate a ton of heat. You don't want a massive space heater sitting on or under your desk. The brand new XPG Defender WS-L solves this problem by having full tower compatibility in a compact form factor. The Defender WS-L is both compact and has comprehensive support for both motherboards and liquid cooling, featuring 360mm AIO support for both the top and the front of the chassis, as well as full E-ATX motherboard support. If you prefer air cooling, it supports a tower cooler up to 170mm. It also fits ATX power supplies up to 220mm long and GPUs up to 400mm long. The Defender WS-L checks all the boxes for a workstation chassis. For storage, the case has two 2.5-inch SSD mounts, as well as two more that can fit either 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drives. Now, this is a system integrator exclusive case, and it's priced at $156. This is pretty competitive with other workstation cases. For example, the Define 7, which has been the go-to case for workstations, is a bit more expensive at about $175. In order to keep the price low, the Defender WS-L doesn't come with fans, but this isn't unheard of, and the expectation is that you can choose what fans fit your needs best. If you want a truly inaudible desktop or maximum cooling potential, that's up to you. Okay, hold on. Now, XPG does offer their excellent VENTO Pro 120 fans. These are performance-focused fans that are also whisper quiet. The VENTO Pro 120 is co-branded with Nidec and is a modern refresh on the legendary Gentle Typhoons. They spin at 2,150 RPM with 75 cubic feet per minute of airflow and have 3.15 millimeters of static pressure. With a 5-year warranty and 250,000 hours of mean time between failures, this is the perfect fan for a high-end workstation build. Now, the build quality is excellent. The case is sturdy, and the panels have very little flex. Now, starting at the front, we see that we have a ventilated panel, which is attached with magnets. And if we remove it, we see a fine mesh filter behind it. Now up top, we have two USB-A ports, a USB-C port, a headphone microphone combo jack, as well as power and reset buttons over here, which are nice and clicky. Now the rear side panel is a solid steel plate with sound dampening foam. And if you look to the back of our chassis, you'll see that we have our I/O cutout, our ATX power supply cutout, 7 PCIe slots, as well as 2 more if you want to vertically mount your GPU. Now the Defender WS-L is perfect for professionals or PC enthusiasts who want a combination of silence, performance, and cooling efficiency. Its sleek design and excellent airflow and versatile storage option makes it a standout in the mid-tower category. Whether you're building a new AI workstation or upgrading your existing workstation, the XPG Defender WS-L is definitely worth considering for your mid-tower chassis. So on the inside of the case, we have multiple openings for cable pass-throughs, as well as adjustable grommets to make your cables look cleaner. We have another one down here for a pass-through for your GPU. We also have a 120mm exhaust on the back to help with airflow. Once again, my name is David, and I appreciate you tuning in so we can check out the brand new XPG Defender WS-L. If you like this video, you want to see more like it, go ahead and give us a subscribe, and hit the like button down below. Helps out the algorithm. In the comments, tell me what you think of this chassis. Would you go for something like this for your mid-tower workstation? I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.
If you like the PC in the video, be sure to contact our sales team by emailing sales@aviatorrock.com or head to the website by clicking the link within the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use the configurator to build the PC of your dreams. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can be notified of future content, and give the video a like in support of our channel. You can follow the variety of our social media channels by visiting aviatorrock.com/community. And you can also join our Discord if you wish to engage in discussions related to custom-built PCs.